Senapati standoff ended hours after Chief Judicial Magistrate Senapati released Captain Gideon Thangal of NSCNIM at around 4:30 am today. Troops of 34 Assam Rifles yesterday arrested him at Senapati. Naga social organizations like Naga People's Organization, Senapati Students Association and United Naga Council played a major role in securing release of the NSCNIM leader, sources said. 2 drug peddlers were arrested along with a large quantity of smuggled heroin hidden in 3 soap cases by a team of Kaching police under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Victoria Yenkom on February 20 around 7:30 p.m. along Imphal Moray Road. The drug seizure took place when the police were conducting frisking and checking of suspected vehicles at Sora Khunuta Chingjin outpost, a police report said today. 2 militants have been killed in an operation by security forces in South Kashmir's Anantnag district. According to media reports, 2 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists have been killed in an operation by the police, the CRPF and the army at Sangam, Bijbehara. Arms and ammunition were also recovered. The duo was killed in a gunfight that broke out during a cordon and search operation launched yesterday evening in Sangam area. China's National Health Commission reported an additional 109 deaths, almost all in Hubei province. That brings the country's death toll to 2,345 people, according to media reports. The new coronavirus has infected another 397 people, with China's total confirmed cases at 76,288 as of yesterday. A farewell function for participants of a 2-month-long incubation training of Idea Stage startup from Manipur State Batch 1 and 2 was held at the Conference Hall of Institute of Cooperative Management Complex. Manipur Planning Department sponsored the 2-month-long training program. The Uttar Pradesh government is preparing to auction tons of gold reserve found in Sonbhadra district of the state. As per reports of Geological Survey of India and Uttar Pradesh Directorate of Geology and Mining, the estimated gold is said to be around 3,000 tons at Son Pahari and Hardi village area. The UP government has started the process for allocation of blocks where gold is said to be found. The United States and the Taliban will sign an agreement on 29 of this month at the end of a planned week-long reduction in violence in Afghanistan. According to sources, the agreement could represent a chance for peace and a pull-out of thousands of US troops that have been in Afghanistan since US-led forces ousted the hardline Islamist Taliban from power in 2001. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the opening ceremony of the country's first ever Khelo India University Games, which will kick off at Cuttack's Indoor Stadium in Orissa today. According to media reports, Narendra Modi will declare the games open via video conferencing in the presence of Orissa's Chief Minister Navin Patnaik, Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and Union Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs Kiran Rijiju. Formula One's governing body has moved to ban for 2021 an indigenous new Mercedes steering wheel that has been the talk of pre-season testing and could boost Lewis Hamilton's chances of a record-equaling 7th title. According to media reports, race director Michael Massey pointed to a change in the technical regulations published at the end of last year that effectively ruled out future use of DAS system.